What's up guys, what is going on? Welcome to our channel Alien Watch. I hope you all are doing well and today's video is gonna be about Pug. So let's get right into the video. First of all, I will give a brief intro. Pug is an entry-level metaverse space. Through open access ports, it connects the mapping of reality and society, shatters tradition and reshapes multiple industries. Each meta-citizen can feel the ultimate experience of life and entertainment through the completion of tasks, before finally realizing the reconstruction of the economic systems turns out to be the economic revolution. Pug is a home of crypto. Pug Foundation is Binance Smart Chain based play-to-earn metaverse game. Virtual Life is a 3D game dominated by cyberpunk style, where players can earn a certain amount of Californium tokens, which means Calit tokens, by being the identity card holders of their project, which can be found in the project demo. With its sleek and sophisticated production, the 3D visualization of the P2E mechanism is also highly innovative with virtual office space and virtual citizenship games offering virtual citizens a much more complete visual experiences. Through both online and offline connections, they can more profoundly implement their own unique original intention on the mapping of real world. Now let's know about Pug token utility. Calit will be the only source of energy for the first stage of our virtual planet, and the power station will consume Calit to power the entire planet. Pug will be able to purchase goods from the Pug market through the NFT ecosystem, and the market will showcase personalized items. Calit is a utility token that provides holders with a wide range of features within Pug, including access to exclusive events, joining pre-sales, and making reservations. Pug will follow a governance model where holders of a Pug NFT will become part of the governance committee. Each NFT will cast a vote through a DAO, and after a proposal is submitted to the DAO, NFT holders will vote with the majority of votes taking the win. Now let's know about Pug open source ecology. Pug is positioned as a gateway to the metaverse and can accommodate all current dApps. Chain tours. The underlying layer uses cross-chain protocols and covers all current mainstream public chains. All dApps and chain tours can share traffic within the Pug, and the huge traffic of Pug will also bring huge business value. In addition to sharing of traffic, the Pug community will support the ecological construction to the maximum extent, including the provision of startup capital and scene technology, so as to realize the ecological co-build and co-creation. This was all for today guys. So how was the video? Please let us know with your valuable opinion.